Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and yes, it is hump day and we're about to get over it, so stay tuned. I got a couple of nice watch faces that I know you're gonna like, so let's go ahead. With that being said, let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we got a couple of nice watch faces that I think you're gonna like, so just hold tight, check them out, give me your honest opinion on both watch faces at the end of the video in the description down below. Now I handpicked these out because I thought these were great looking watch faces to have in your collection, and the first one is called Futorum, if I pronounced that right, Futorum Glares. Now what I like about this one is if you look in the background right away, this looks really nice. Now in the always on mode, it's just pretty much going to be blacked out, plain background, but it's going to have the same style in the always on mode that you see right now. Now what I like about the watch face is that the design is out there. It's a little bit different from most. Now you get stack time, animated seconds. You also get your important things like your date, your month at the bottom, and you also get to the right your step info. Now what I like about this is that it is interactive, so if I need to go in, check my stats on my steps, I can. And I can also do that with my heart rate. I mean, although it's a little small, if you tap on the precise, you can go and get more information on your heart rate as well as your calories burned as well. So I thought that was nice. If you tap on January, you can go in and set your events if you like. And if I tap at the top, I can customize the color to whatever I like, and they all look really nice. I thought this was a decent watch face. Now it's up to you to check it out in the Gear Manager store and let me know what you think of these watch faces. Now you get 10 colors in all that you can dress up with, or just choose your favorite color and you're good to go. What do you think thus far? Number 2 is called Space 16. Very nice, very unique looking watch face. I like the way it looks in the always on mode. It's pretty much dimmed down, but I think it looks a little bit better on the Gear S2 than it does on the Gear S3 and the Gear Sport, so far as the always on mode is concerned. But when the watch face is on, I do like the look, I do like the design. It gives you all your info for your exercising and your time and date. Now here you get information on your miles walked or ran. You can also set an alarm. You get your calories burned, and over here you get what day of the week it is. I like that. You get information on heart rate and your steps. Now up at the top it says have a nice day. Before then it says good morning. So I don't know how many different sayings it has. It has one that says cheer up. It's probably going to say good afternoon, good night, or goodbye when you put it on the charger. Who knows? So the question is, at the end of the day, you're going to check it out and find out if it's worth the price or not. Now with that being said, you can't customize the color or anything like that, but it is interactive, so if you need to set an alarm, you can go in and set a quick alarm. Same thing for your calendar. If you need to go in and set an event or anything like that, you can. And you can go into your steps and get more info on your stats. And that's it, and that's all. Question is, at the end of the day, is it worth it? All right, you all, make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Listen, enjoy getting over the hump. Have a great day. Stay warm if you live in the Midwest. And with that, just enjoy life. All right, you all, make sure you hit the thumbs up on the way out. And also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another video from Huck's World. And with that, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.